Hello, Order Now viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of portable sound with the JBL Flip 4. This compact Bluetooth speaker is making waves in the market for all the right reasons. In this video, we'll explore its features, performance, and why it's a top choice for those who want to take their sound on the go. Let's kick things off with the design and build. The JBL Flip 4 impresses with its rugged and durable construction. It's designed to withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. With its fabric-covered exterior and rubberized edges, it not only looks stylish but is also tough enough to handle a few bumps and splashes. Now, let's talk about the heart of the Flip 4, its sound quality. Despite its compact size, this speaker delivers impressive sound. The bass is punchy, the mids are clear, and the highs are crisp. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the audio quality is sure to please your ears. The Flip 4 connects effortlessly to your devices via Bluetooth. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from smartphones to tablets and laptops. You can even connect multiple Flip 4 speakers for a synchronized audio experience. When it comes to battery life, the JBL Flip 4 doesn't disappoint. It offers up to 12 hours of playtime on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy all day long. So, whether you're at a picnic, by the pool, or on a camping trip, this speaker will keep the tunes going. Portability is a strong suit of the Flip 4. It's compact and lightweight, and it even comes with a convenient carrying strap. You can easily toss it in your bag and take it with you wherever you go. The JBL Flip 4 comes with some nifty features. It has a built-in noise and echo-canceling speakerphone for hands-free calls, plus the speaker is IPX7 waterproof, so you can submerge it in up to 1 meter of water for about 30 minutes without worry. It also has JBL Connect Plus technology, allowing you to connect it with other JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers for an amplified audio experience. Controlling your music is a breeze with the Flip 4. It has easy-to-use buttons for play, pause, volume control, and even voice assistant integration. You can change tracks or adjust the volume directly from the speaker. If style matters to you, you'll love the variety of color options available. The Flip 4 comes in a range of attractive colors to match your personal taste. So, there you have it, the JBL Flip 4. This portable Bluetooth speaker offers a winning combination of rugged design, impressive sound quality, long battery life, and a host of features. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next exploration of the latest and greatest video.